Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate or Portrait icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, Portrait is over here. So when I click, it's blue and it says Auto Rotate. That means that auto rotation is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, click on Auto Rotate shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!